Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with the Zagg Glass Plus Anti-Glare Screen Protector for iPhone XS Max. This screen protector offers 3x shatter protection, which is typical for Zagg's Glass Plus line, but this also has an anti-glare matte finish. Let's install this on my iPhone XS Max in gold and check it out. Looking at the back of the box, you can see that this screen protector features 9H hardness, which should protect it from being scratched by most things. It also has anti-glare technology, is smudge resistant, provides industry-leading screen protection, has precision touch sensitivity and HD clarity, and an easy bubble-free application. We're going to test that one out here in just a second. It also has Zagg's limited lifetime warranty, meaning that if it ever gets worn or damaged, they'll replace it as long as you own the device. There is a shipping and handling fee involved with this, however, so it is not entirely free, but if you're the kind of person that tends to break your screen protector, it might make sense for you. Looking in the box, we have a dust removal sticker, we have a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, the screen protector itself, and an install tool. Love the installer. This worked really well on previous Zagg screen protector installs, so I'm excited to be using it on the XS Max. We'll see how this one works. Getting started, obviously first you're going to want to remove any screen protector you already have on there. You want to start off with a nice clean screen, so use the wet wipe to clean your screen. Dry it off with a microfiber cloth. Next you can use your dust removal sticker to remove any dust or dirt or hairs or anything like that remaining on your screen. Once your phone is beautiful and clean, simply slip the installer tray down over the phone. There's no need to specially align it or anything like that. It goes on very easily. And then you need to get the screen protector. Next, you want to expose the adhesive layer and place the screen protector down on the phone. That's the sticker here that's marked 1. Be sure not to touch the adhesive back, only hold by the sides or by these little handles up here. Finally, you want to orient the screen protector correctly with the notch at the top. Don't want to put the notch at the bottom. And hold it by your easy apply tabs and gently put it directly down in the middle of the installer. Once you have it in place, simply press down on the middle and it will begin to adhere. And once everything looks good, then you can simply peel off this top yellow layer. Looking at the results of our install, first of all, I think that the install went very easily. I really am impressed with this installer tool by Zagg. This makes the whole process go so much more easily than it otherwise would. I think it's really hard to mess up the install here as long as you, first of all, are starting with a really clean phone. And second of all you need to do is really just put on the installer and make sure the screen protector is laid down correctly within the confines of this rectangle. Other than that, I don't really think you can mess this up. Great product by Zagg. So looking at the fit on here, there are a few areas of haloing along here on the edges where the screen protector is maybe just a teeny tiny bit too big, so it hangs over the edges just a little bit. I think that's the only reason that I can come up with for the haloing, because the phone screen curves a little bit, but the screen protector, it's not curving, and so that's why you have that. However, our edges here are all nice and rounded, have a very nice feel underneath the fingertips. This adds very, very little thickness to the phone. Everything looks really good on here, feels good, and I think once you have a case on here, you are really not going to have any kind of noticeability with the haloing on here. It's just going to fade into the sides of the case, so I don't think that it's a problem. Overall, I think that this is a great screen protector. It has excellent anti-glare capabilities. I was using this outside alongside my Galaxy Note 8, which does not have any screen protector on it at all. So you're just looking at, your basic glossy screen. And the amount of glare on the Galaxy Note 8 was astonishing as compared to this one with its anti-glare screen protector. Huge difference, so much easier to use in bright sunlight. So if you use your phone in conditions like that a lot, you are going to love this anti-glare screen protector. Works great. So kudos to Zagg on that. As far as performance inside is concerned, so this is where there are a few issues. I think that it's great overall, but it has somewhat reduced optical clarity. You can see just little teeny tiny dots if you look really close. I'm sure that this is because of the anti-glare function. It's probably just a trade-off that you have to make, and you really only notice it if you look very closely at it. Other than that, I think everything looks really good. It feels great underneath the fingertips. You've got an excellent oleophobic coating. They mentioned the anti-fingerprint thing, and wow, it really does a great job in preventing fingerprints. There's no issue with your responsiveness, 3D touch, all of that is great. I'm really enjoying having this screen protector on my phone. However, it's not quite as super clear as your typical tempered glass screen protector is going to be. I suspect that if I put the regular Glass Plus on here, I would have perhaps just a bit better optical clarity than with the anti-glare version. However, using this outside is an absolute joy. It's fantastic. So I think it just all depends upon what you're looking for in a screen protector. So in terms of case compatibility, this works really well with cases. I tried it on with a few cases and have had no problems whatsoever. I think as long as you are using a case that does not intrude significantly onto the front of the phone, then you are going to be just fine with this because, as I said, it is case compatible, works well with the OtterBox Symmetry. Also tried it with the Moose Limitless 2.0, works fine with that, and also with a Casetify case that I was reviewing recently. That one worked out great with it as well. So I think overall this is a really great product from Zagg. You got that 3x shatter protection, you've got your anti-glare, a fantastic installer, and overall really good performance. Definitely consider this if you were looking for an anti-glare screen protector for your iPhone XS Max. Again, we've been looking at the Zagg Glass Plus Anti-Glare Screen Protector for iPhone XS Max. This screen protector is available directly from Zagg as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $44.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Zagg Glass Plus Anti-Glare Screen Protector for iPhone XS Max. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.